Is TCL TV good? Let's evaluate. Yes, TCL TVs are widely regarded as a great value for the price, making them an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. Known for their Roku TV platform, on most models, TCL offers a user-friendly interface with seamless access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. Their 4K models deliver solid picture quality with features like HDR support, Dolby Vision, and wide color gamut, providing a satisfying viewing experience for movies, sports, and gaming. While TCL TVs may not match the premium build quality or advanced features of high-end brands like Samsung or Sony, they excel in affordability and smart functionality. Gamers and casual viewers alike appreciate the smooth performance and affordable pricing. However, some users note that black levels and brightness uniformity may not be as strong as in more expensive models. In summary, TCL TVs are a great option if you're looking for budget-friendly reliability without sacrificing essential features. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.